Hey there folks, just doing a very quick video on how to do the cube root on Desmos. So let's get started. Go to desmos.com or on your app, go to Desmos, and we're going to start graphing, and you already have your keyboard on there. So bring up your keyboard and you want to go to functions, and then you want to go all the way over to MISC, which is miscellaneous. And then you want to go to this little thing here, which is N, and you can see the radical sign. So you click that. So I'm doing a cubed root. So if I wanted to know the cubed root, let's say of 125, by default, you know the radical sign is square root. But you can make it cubed root or fourth root by putting a little number right here. So I put the cubed root, 3 for cubed root there. And then the cube root of 125, as you can see, the answer is 5. That's all it is to it. And if like I wanted to change, you want to get another one, let's say 27. Bam, it's 3. We're done. That's it. I thought I'd keep it less than a minute, but it's a minute 17. All right. Enjoy. Talk to you later.